So for this next video, I will be showing you the profiling module. Now there may be several types, but in our case, we only have customers and contacts on this test user. You can add customers or contacts, and both follow the same creation mechanism. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will show you what add a new contact screen looks like. Basically, go to Activities on the bottom bar, and you have two options here: add a new customer or add a new contact. Now I will just tap add a new contact. Again, they both follow pretty much the same creation mechanism, so they both will look almost identical. Again, as soon as you click on select contact type, you will see multiple templates. Now these are templates that have been configured already in the system for what kind of information we would require for each type of contact. So I will just tap in doctor, for example. Now as soon as you tap doctor, here you will see the template will populate with all of the information that is required with doctor. Anything that's marked with an asterisk, for example contact name and serving location, as you can see on the top section, that you must put in. Anything that's not marked like that, that is optional, and if you have the information, you can put it in. Now here on the left, you have all of the fields that are required, and on the right, you have the places where you can enter this data. Serving location, you can tap the select button and select which location you want. For geography location, if you tap capture, your GPS must be on. If your GPS is not on, the system will prompt you to turn on GPS or location if you're using an Android tablet. So each of these templates have sections in them. So for example, we have personal info, then we have status, then we have address, personal info, division, this is divisional info, other info, and then all of these are all to do with your team. So observational, prescription, academic, interest, all of these are to do with your own specific team. And at the end, you can add images as well. So it's a very simple form, and basically the text on the left is very simple, and on the right, you just have to enter the information if it's required. Again, even with address, if you just tap this plus icon here, it allows you to add an address in the same sort of form fashion. So you have what is required on the left and where you can add it in on the right, basically. When you're ready, you can just tap save here. And again, when you've filled out this entire information, you can also just tap save. So these radio buttons, for example, can all be interacted with. You can tap anything here. You can also, clinic schedule day, clinic schedule time will open up pop-ups, and you can choose. So it's fairly simple and basic to use, and it's very easy and fast as well. And whenever you've completed doing this entire form, you can just tap save, and it'll save and sync to the server. Again, I'll just show you the general template also quickly. So here, as you can see, the general template is a bit smaller, but that's for general only. And just to show you the different templates available, again, I will click on Activities, and I'll show you what templates are available for Add New Customer. So here, as you can see, there are many more templates that are available, and they all follow the same process. There's a form, and you just input all of the details, and you just tap save. When you have saved your customer or contact, it'll be stored on the device, and you must press sync to sync it to the server. Then the team at the office will approve that customer or contact, and then you will get an actual customer code or contact code on your device, at which you can start doing call planning and visit reporting against that customer. Now to show you some details of what that would look like, I will just show you a contact, sorry. So if I just click on the today screen, and I will just tap in you. So this will show me all the unplanned contacts for today. So I will just pick any contact, for example, just to show you. So if I just tap this one, the second one, and I'll just click view contact. Again, for customers, it's also the same. So it's very, very easy to follow. Now this is a view contact page, and this will also be very similar to the view customer page. They'll all be the same. On the left, you have all the information that was required, and on all the right is all the details for that customer or contact. Each section is divided, so like you have personal info is a separate section, status is a separate section, address is a separate section. On top, you will see that it says profile, communication, division, interest, other. This is a bar that can be moved around, and these are basically tabs. So I can click on communication, it'll show me anything to do with communication. If I click on division, it'll show me divisional info for my team only. If I click on interest, it'll show me all the interest. Again, this is my team only. And anything else, others. If you tap the pen icon, it allows you to enter edit mode, which will only allow you to edit certain information only. So in this case, you can see I can only edit the divisional info. The main customer info or main contact info cannot be changed. But for my specific team, I can change the information for the divisional only. And when I'm ready with the changes, I can again just tap save and then sync to the server. The profiling aspect is very, very simple to follow. The view and the add functionalities are very similar in terms of look. And whenever you're ready, you just need to tap sync on the bottom bar to ensure that you always have the latest updates or you've sent the latest updates.